这种人生什么都没有，不用。
બે શ્રુતિર અર્થ આચાર્ય કર્યા છે આચ્છાદન. Acharya Sri Shankaracharya made one commentary. This commentary is like cloud in the sky, covered by the cloud. So यही सत्य श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य वचन. Mahaprabhu spoke truth. श्री चैतन्य गोसाई यही कहे सही मत सार, हार जत मत सही सब विचार खार. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had spoke, this is truth, everything right. Others, any other person what is spoke, everything like ashes. Finished, vanished there, nothing. Everything useless. ऐत कोई सही करे कृष्ण संकीर्तन, सुनी प्रकाशानंद किछु कहे न वचन. So आचार्येराग्रह अद्वैतवाद स्थापिते, ताते सूत्र व्याख्या करे अन्न रीते. भगवत्ता मानिते अद्वैत ना जाय स्थापन, अतएव सब शास्त्र करे खंडन. Then Prakashananda spoke to Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, only Acharya. Sri Shankaracharya spoke and he told this is Advaitavad, manifest Advaitavad Siddhanta. In this way they are speaking another meaning. यही ग्रंथ कर्ता चाहे समत स्थापिते, शास्त्रे सहज अर्थ नाहे तावते. ग्रंथ कर्ता व्यासदेव spoke, but not his meaning. मीमांसक कहे ईश्वर है कर्मे रंग, सांख कहे जगते प्रकृति कार. मीमांसा, पूर्व मीमांसा, कर्मकांडी, they are saying, oh, who is Ishwara? We are working karma, we are doing fire sacrifice, doing yajna, so Ishwara is karma. Give him result, but nothing. God is zero. Sankha kaya jagati prakriti kara. This world come in by the nature. Sankha yogi, by nature this world come in. Nay kahe paramanu haite vishwa. Whole world come in by the paramanu. Nay shastra, yes. मायावादी निर्विशेष ब्रह्म हेतु कहे. मायावादी they are saying or निर्विशेष. Paramanu very small paramanu. Small energy, small.
Weapon.
No, paramanu is not a gun. Paramanu very small potency, very small part. Like we see very white color, very small on the window. Sometimes sun rays come in, then have you seen very small, that is called throssera. After then make half part paramanu. Then more part, very small part, this is called paramanu. In this way everything, like building, when broke, and become dust,
集中的
then everything very small piece,
而
very
这个
small
小
part.
小的光点再分成
This is
普通的
Parmanu.
部分，那其中的
In this way, water
就
Parmanu,
会成为是
fire Parmanu,
所以有五种
earth Parmanu, everything by the Parmanu.
水分的马桶，然后火候的马桶，还有水分的空气的马桶，快的马桶。
पतंजल कहे ईश्वर है स्वरूप खान वेद मते कहे तारे स्वयं भगवान Patanjali they say ईश्वर only very small part, small piece, living in heart, giving energy, power is Paramatma, Ishwar. Vedas saying Supreme Lord Sri Krishna Swam Bhagavan, she explained. Chai chai mat vyas kaila avartan, sei sab sutra laya Vedanta varna. Then Vyasdev cut their theory, this all theory, then he established Vedanta Shastra. वेदांत मते ब्रह्म साकार निरूपण निर्गुण व्यतिरेके त्यों अहित सदु Vedanta spoke Brahma is Brahma has form, a beautiful form, and he has power, he is transcendental. Nirgun Vyatireki, Nirgun, other side, opposite. But Lord Sri Krishna is Sagun, Sakar, Savises, he has Sachidananda form, he has power, he has energy, he has Leela, he has incarnation, he has liberated souls, associates, everything. Parama Karaneshwari Kyanari Mane Sasamat Sthape Paramate Rakhundane. So he is Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, he is Supreme Energy, and he has all powers. Tate Chai Darshan Vaite Tattva Nahi Jane Mohajan Jai Gaye Sei Sattamani. Six darshan, short darshan, they don't know tattva theory. They don't know Shuddha Bhakti. So Mahajan Jai Gaye, Mahajan means Swayambhu Narada Shambhu Kumar Kapilo Mano Prahlada Janako Bhismo Bali Vaya Sakeva. All Goswami, Sadhu, they are Mahajan. Before Swayambhu Brahma and Lord Shiva, Narad Rishi, Vyasdev, Prahlad Maharaj, Janak Maharaj, Bali Maharaj, Bhishma Pitamaha, they are Mahajan. Kumar, Chatushan, Kapil Dev, Manu, they are Mahajan. They know all theories, Shastra. So they are speaking truth. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Vani Amrite Radhar Tyo Jo Kahe Vastu Sei Tattva Sar. So Sri Krishna Chaitanya Vani Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke everything true. 所以妈跑步在跟就是讲他对他的想法什么一起讨论，所
咱们埃及的这些声卡跳蚤所提出来的这些哲学理论全部是错误的。没去声卡跳蚤提出
এই সব বৃত্তান্ত শুনি মহারাষ্ট্রীয় ব্রাহ্মণ প্রভুরে কইতে সুখে করিলা গমন। Then Maharashtriya Brahman was very happy. Then he spoke to Mahaprabhu. One Prakashananda Saraswati's disciple is speaking this Vedanta theory and this meaning. Kali Mahaprabhu पंचनदे स्नान करी देखिते चली आছেন बिंदु माधव हरि। At that time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath. 5 rivers.
5 rivers.
They have rule. Must go 5 rivers and take bath.
咱们在这边咱们来什么这个规范，需要在5条河里面沐浴。然后在5条河中沐浴之后，
পথে সেই বিপ্র সব বৃত্তান্ত করিল শুনি মহাপ্রভু সুখেই শত আসিল। Then Mahaprabhu went to Bindu Madhav temple. On the way, Maharashtrian Brahman spoke everything Katha to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu was very happy. Madhav Saundarya dekhiya abhishta hoila, Ange nitiyasi premi nachite lagila. Bindu Madhav said, Mahaprabhu was very happy. Then in dancing, Shikhar Paramananda Tapan Sanatan Chari Jan Mili Kare Naam Sankirtan. Chandrasekhar Paramananda Tapan Mishra Sanatan Goswami and Mahaprabhu all together they are dancing, singing. Hari Hare Namo Krishna Jadavai Namo Gopal Govinda Ram Srimadhusura. Hari Hare Namo Krishna Jadavai Namo Gopal Govinda Ram Srimadhusura. In this way Mahaprabhu did Sankirtan. Chaudikete lakha lakha লক্ষ লোক বলে হরে হরে উঠিল মঙ্গল ধ্বনি স্বর্গ মর্তবরে। Everywhere, so 100,000 people. Everyone they are dancing, singing and chanting Harinam. Nikati Haridhani Suni Prakashananda देखिते कौतुके आइला लैया शिष्य वृंद। When he heard, oh, everyone doing Sankirtan, very big Sankirtan, then Prakashananda here, Prakashananda Saraswati and all disciples they are coming. देखिया प्रभुर नित्य प्रेम प्रेम देहेर माधुरे शिष्यगण संगे सही बोले हरे हरे। Prakashananda, all disciples they are coming, they are watching. Then they are very very happy. Everyone they are doing kirtan. Harsha dainya chapallade sanchare vigar देखे काशीवासी लोगे कोई चमत्कार। So many types of moved in this way. Kashivasi, public, everyone, they are very happy this surprise. लोक संगत देखी प्रभु बाज्य जबे भइलो সন্ন্যাসীর গণ দেখে নিত্য সম্ভরিত। A big crowd, then Mahaprabhu thought, oh, what happening? Sannyasi, all sannyasis coming there. Then Mahaprabhu stopped Nitya dance. Prakashanandir Prabhu Bandila Charan. Prakashananda Asitar Dharila Charan. Then Mahaprabhu, pranam to Prakashananda, at once Prakashananda came, prayed to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, fell in his feet. Prabhu kahe tumi jagat guru pujatam, ami tomar samo na hai sisir samo. Ami tomar na hai sisir samo. So I am not same your disciple, but you are great pujatamo jagat guru. শ্রেষ্ঠ হইয়া কেনে করহি নির্বন্ধন, আমার সর্বনাশ হয় তুমি ব্রহ্ম সম। You are a great person. যদ্যপি তোমার সব ব্রহ্ম সমভাসে, লোক শেষা লাগে হইছে করিতে নাইছে। তেও কয়ে তোমার নিন্দা পূর্বে যে করিল, তোমার চরণ স্পর্শে সব ক্ষয় গেল। Before I can't understand, so I abuse to you. Now I touch your feet, so change my life. जीवन मुक्ता उपि पुनर् जानते संसार वासनाम, जद्दचिंतमा सत्तो Bhagavat Parade. If Jivan Mukta liberated soul, they are going to again family life, because they are offender men. When they make offense, by the offense they are falling down. So when touch the Sri Krishna's feet, at once they left all material things and they become pure. Prabhu kahe Vishnu Vishnu, ame kudra jive, jive Vishnu mane aparadati. Truly Vishnu, Vishnu, what is saying? I am ordinary person, don't speak Vishnu, I am not Vishnu. Jive Vishnu Vyuddhi kare, jai Rudra samo. Jive Vishnu Buddhi kare, jai Brahma Rudra samo. Narayane mane tare pasandite gana. If someone saying is ordinary person, he is Vishnu, but this is offense. प्रकाशानंद कही तुम्ही साक्षात भगवान, तबु यदि करता दास अभिमान, तबे पूज्य हो तुम्ही आम्हा सभा गईते, सर्वनाश भय ये तुम्हार निंदाते. प्रकाशानंद told, you are Swayam Bhagavan, but you are saying, oh, I am the servant. But you are Puya, great person. If someone able to end, then will be finished, Sarvanath. If someone make offense, Ayu Sriya Jasodharma Lokanamasi Sahivacha Hanti Sriyansi Sarvani Pungso Modati. When make offense, then Ayu, age, Sri, beauty, Jas, Dharma, all auspicious, everything, Vinas, finished. Everything is going lost. Everything is
都
going.
要丧失丢失了，
When they are following to Mohad Adhikram,
我都会养育到。我发现了
एवं तुम्हार पदाब्जी उपजीवे भक्ति तथे लागे करे तुम्हार चरणे प्रणति. So now
现在
your mercy, in this way we are praying to you, give me bhakti.
一个人慈，我们向您祈祷。
এত বলে প্রভুরে লইয়া তথা বসিলা, প্রভুরে প্রকাশানন্দ পুরী পৌঁছিতে লাগিলা. আজকে হবে না কালকে হবে?
而且
কালকে. Then Mahaprabhu sit with Prakashananda, then discuss.
接着妈妈就和我跟陈班长一起坐下来，然后呢继续讨论。
Tomorrow speaking,
明天呢，他会讲，继续讲他们之间的讨论对话内容了。
वंशाकल्पतरुवस्य कृपा सिन्धु वैवच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो. আজকে কত লোক আছে?
完毕。好，结束了啊，没功。
ওদের একটু শোনাবি
好，
রাধারাজ সুধানদীর কথা?
那the rest of you don't know